Apple first added LiDAR to its iPhone lineup in the iPhone 12 Pro and iPhone 12 Pro Max camera systems. This addition makes some apps, including Measure and Photos, work better and faster. Apple introduces LiDAR on the iPad Pro 2020. Developers typically use LiDAR for augmented reality applications because the technology makes it possible to create accurate models of objects and spaces. You can find the LiDAR scanner on the back of the iPhone 12 Pro, next to the triple camera lens. A dark circle across from the flash. Due to its location, the sensor only works with the rear camera. Since LiDAR is a system that iPhone apps use behind the scenes, you can't use it directly. Instead, you'll see improvements in the apps that use it. One of the main receivers of LiDAR on the iPhone 12 Pro is Apple's Measure app, which scans its environment and lets you tap a specific point to calculate distance, length, area, and more. LiDAR makes measurements faster and more accurate than just using a camera, because the system is capable of producing finer details. You'll also notice that the iPhone 12 Pro is quicker to scan its surroundings and measure before you start reading. This acceleration is due to LiDAR's superior ability to read and interpret its surroundings through a standard camera. The iOS App Store contains many third-party programs that take advantage of Apple's new sensors, but their primary use is to make 3D scans of objects and rooms. You can find this app by searching for LiDAR in the App Store. Here are some tips for getting good height measurement results. Make sure you are in a place with good lighting. Avoid dark backgrounds and reflective surfaces. Make sure the measured object is not covered by anything. Try to stay a few steps away from the person you are measuring. You may be standing too close. How are you interested in using LiDAR for wider measurements? I will give a little sample of how to measure space with the Magic Plan application. Look forward to the next video. I will make building plans easily using Magic Plan. The application link is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.